Hello everybody, welcome back to my micro channel, Art Whisperer 88, and today I'm doing an unboxing of watercolor pencils that I got from Amazon, and this is something that I have always wanted to try. Let's get started. Now, when I do watercolor, I usually use the regular traditional watercolor paint and watercolor brushes, but I thought I'd give this a try. It's made by Arteza, a company called Arteza. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. Here's the box. Let me open this. It's nicely packaged. It says 72 watercolor pencils. They call it expert, but I think this is appropriate for anyone who wants to try, whether you're an expert or a beginner. It reminds me of the biscuit or cookie tins. This is a metal case, which is nice. Got a nice hinge here. And let's see what we got inside. Oh, beautiful. Here are the colors. And as an artist, I always get excited when I see color. I think there are two levels. Okay, here's a second layer. Oh, there's a third layer. Cool. So, I think the first and second layer are identical, almost identical. And you have the third layer, which has gray tones and black. You have these mustard yellow ochre tones, and then you have these darker kind of like forest colors, greens, dark blues, dark brown. Can't wait to try these out. So I like this little design here where you have the two holes where you can insert your fingers to get to the second and third layer. So the short little video about my new Arteza blendable water soluble pencils. Thank you for watching.